just show you what I've been using just to maintain that nice hook hold. So I've got my 20mm boilie on, as you can see, and I've got a nice little, probably a size 8 hook here, and you can see I've got a little ring there. You can use a bit of tubing, and that just allows the boilie to sit proud in front of the hook rather than sort of around it and wrapping around. And I've got a nice curve in the shank. The other one I'm using is like what you will have seen on the previous videos, and I've just added a bit of tubing to the bottom here just to stop it flapping around too much. And again, like I say, I do believe, I'm a believer in running rigs. Bolt rigs are great, but I think when the fishing's hard, like in the winter, and if you're targeting the bigger fish, I believe that you need to be using, well, in my experience anyway, it's better to use a running rig with quite a light lead, and like with that fish just now, it felt for the resistance first. There was a drop back and then there was a pause, and only then did it start to pull and take a bit of line. So if that had been a bolt rig, it might have spat that hook. You would have had a chance of losing that fish. I've got a lighter rig today. I'm going to be using these strawberry boilies on this one, and I made this rig at home. I'll just show you. So I've got a nice curved shank hook with a knotless knot, and I've wrapped it around quite a few times. Small boilie, quite a long hair. Reason being with all this is that a smaller hook, that's probably a size 12, yeah, it's probably a 12. Less resistance, less weight, thinner line as well. I've got 8-pound main line on there because there's a lot of smaller carp in here, and I've just got a little kicker and a swivel, and that's attached to a running rig. So there's the business end, and yeah, nice little running rig here with a lead clip on, tiny little weight. Just going to underarm flick this one out. Right, I'll just show you the rig that I've been using to catch these fish on. I did have this rig on the other rod, but I haven't even had a bite on the left rod all day, so I've put a lighter rig on. Probably going to switch back to this one though. So the rig I've been using, so we got the 20mm Manila boilie. Yeah, that is just the kind of boilie and the flavour that's been working for me at the moment on this lake. So I'm not going mad about it or anything, but it is working for me. And then this hair rig and the hook link here, this is sold, when I bought this, it was sold for like river fishing for chub. It's good. So it's got like a nice long shank, a nice long hair as well, and you can see all that movement that it allows on the boilie, and that allows for a better hook hold. If you can imagine, the hook's in, and then the hook, the boilie's just out the way. You know, a big fish can suck that in, and you know the smaller fish can't really get their mouth around all that. So then we've got this braided hook link, which is like a greeny colour. That's it basically. Right, let me show you one of the rigs I'm using. A bit awkward, because I've got the umbrella here, because it's been raining. Right, can you see this? I've got, same as last week, I've got a small lead, a running rig, and then on the hook I've got a nice big hook. Well, I say big, it's probably a number 8, number 8, yeah, maybe a 6, but I'd say an 8. You can see that there. Put it up to the light angle. And then I've got this massive donkey choker pellet that stinks on a nice long hair. And then I'm going to feed over the top. Same kind of pellets, but they're smaller, so the loose feed's going to be smaller. So I did try the little hot dog sausages earlier, but didn't even get a bite on those. Okay, so I wasn't catching on the corn. I've decided to change the rig again. I've gone for a very small boilie, a small hook. You can see there's a little ring on there, which just helps. It helps it so that the boilie doesn't wrap around the hook. For better presentation, you'd usually use this for like a pop-up, because it's got a bit of the braid has been removed there for flexibility, but this should do fine. Nice small hook. braided hook link, and I've got a swivel, and I've got this rubber that will fit over the swivel like so, and then it goes like that.